on the Northern Expedition.
Problem getting up so early in these small towns is that nothing's ever open early. A cafe that doesn't open till 8. Well, here I am in Port Hardy, still raining. I just spent 4 hours trying to upload my first video, and that was on top of the 3 other days that I spent, and it kept failing. But it's finally live, so you guys have already seen it. And now, even though it's raining, I'm gonna go right by the ferry terminal, and there's a short hike, 2K up to a World War II crash site. So we'll go see if there's an actual plane there or just a plaque. I suspect there's probably just a plaque. Well, back in Vancouver, when it says 50% chance of raining, it's usually cloudy and sometimes sunny. But I guess on the North Coast, when it says 50% chance of rain, we get pouring rain. Luckily I found this little covering at this picnic spot. I can rest my bike while I go look for that trail. Let's go get wet. Oh, there's an actual plane here. Nothing but rain. Let's hit the ferry. Being on the bike, you have to go to the front of the line. Waiting at the ferry terminal. Everybody's waiting here to get on. Pretty soon we'll be on that ferry heading up to Rupert. And we'll be on our way. Got my room, outside cabin. Let's see what I get for 130 bucks. Ooh. Ah. Hi. even get a shower. Wow. Well worth it.